Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to Vinyl TV. If you are new to this channel and if you are, please consider subscribe now. We appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this gear. This is HP Deskjet 4120E. Multifunctional printer, multitask, triple in one if you like. In the sense you can copy, scan and print from this gear. We unbox this printer, connect it to Wi-Fi network, load the ink cartridges. It's using 305 ink cartridges. What I'm going to show you is how to copy your document from this printer. But before we do that, I'm going to give you an overview of this printer. Then we'll copy the document, show you how to copy black, and also show you how to copy color. Likewise, how to copy document with your mobile phone and print it out from this phone, from this printer. Before we do that, we'll turn this printer around. The power cable is included in the power printer. 3-pin power cable is included. This port here is for USB cable. Unfortunately, USB cable is not included in the packaging. We have this at Vinyl Tech Store, free delivery here in UK. This is the real paper tray. We loaded the paper tray. You can load up to 35 sheets of paper right here. This is the turn this printer around. This is an automatic document feeder right here, automatic document feeder. And here is the scanner, flat desk scanner. Load particular document you want to copy or scan on top here and select the function. Okay, so right now this is the document we want to copy. Now the other thing I want to show you, if you open up right here, if you open up the ink cartridges holder, will come right in the middle for you to change it. Like I mentioned, it's using 305 ink. So right now you can see, check my video how we loaded the ink. Push it down and remove it. If you make sure also to load the ink, you just need to make sure you go back in. You hear a click sound, okay, and close it. Now I want to show you the features from this printer. And if you want to turn this printer on and off, this is the on and off button. This button here is for you to copy black. This button here is for you to copy color. And this is LCD screen. Inside this LCD screen you see 2 lines for the ink gauge. When the ink is running out, it will be decreasing, so you just need to keep an eye on it. This 0 is when you select the document you want to copy. Just press it, it will change. Also, it will also show you the reception for the Wi-Fi. And this is the Wi-Fi button. This is for you to information button. You press this information button to identify your proximity, and this button here is for you to resume, and this is to cancel. So this is the overview for this printer. You can save up to 70% on ink, never run out of ink. You got 6 months trial, instant ink with HP. You get ink plus hassle-free delivery and recycle, all starting with 0.99 euro a month. So I'm afraid it's not free service, but you need to decide if you're happy with this or not. Right now, this is the overview of this printer. But for us to copy the document, here is the document we have here to copy. Select copy button, okay, and you can see the number change to 1. If you cancel it, this is the cancel, and the document is cancelled right now. Okay, so this is copy. So you change to 1, 2, you can see it's changing to color, change it to various number. Okay, so this is for you to cancel. So once you start function, you press cancel, it will stop. Okay, so right now what we need to do is just copy the document black. Okay, once you copy the black, and also we also need to copy color for us to see the quality. Okay, so for us to copy this document black, just need to press the black button 1, press it once, Okay, here we go. We copy this black. Okay, now the next thing to do is, if you want to copy it color, okay, then press color once. Make sure you remember the one you press. So right now what we press is color. So you can print up to 8.5 print per minute. Beautiful stuff. So here is the colored, and this is black. Okay, the other thing I want to mention is, so how many copies you want, just need to press. If you want color 2, you just need to press it twice, or 3, just press 3 times. Okay, up to 7 times. Now the other thing I want to mention is, you can also copy the document with HP, the app. So go back to HP Smart App. Okay, and for us to copy this document, okay, here is the app, and bring out the document you want to copy. So make sure that you have the printer. Sometimes you go off, you just need to make sure for you to go back and add the printer if it's not there. Just gonna wait for the. Now it's asking us about instant ink. Now this printer is ready. What I want us to do is for us to copy the document. So like you can copy the document like I mentioned with from the printer, but also you can also copy with a mobile device. Okay, right now I can see no camera access. So you just need to allow camera access. Allow when you are using your phone. Okay, so you can actually use your mobile phone, okay, and take a stunning photo, document you want to, okay, and it will, and also you can also change what we have here right now is A4, so you can change it to 10 by 15 centimeter, 13 by 18 ID card, business card, okay, but what we have here is A4 paper. Then stick the document you want to copy, okay, and is right now searching for this document. So you make sure it's in, or the document is in the middle, but you can also remove it from auto. So you're scanning, make sure that you have everything in the middle. Which you can also, if you want to delete it, you just need to delete or change it from auto. You can also change it from auto for you to do this by yourself, okay? Then stick the document you want, okay, and place in the middle, click. It will start to process. So right now it's processing. Okay, so this document right now is copied. Here it is. Okay, so you can actually reshape it or resize it and print it out. Okay, so the next thing to do is you can actually start increase how many number of documents up to 9. Okay, how many copies you want from the app. Okay, but this, because this is the tutorial, I just need to copy 1. So you can copy black and also copy color from the app. You just need to select start black. Once you select start black, for instance, it will print out black color. It's now processing. Okay, sent. So right now it's printing out black color. Okay. You can also go back. If you go back, then you select start color. And once this, so this is right now is sent to this printer. So once we print out this black, the next that will follow it is colored. Okay, here we go. This is the document. We took the photo from the app, okay, using our mobile phone to copy it and send it to the printer to print it out. Right now, the next one that is coming out is color. So this is how to copy a document. You can copy the document from the printer. Likewise, you can also copy it using the app. Here we go. So this is the document we copied with our mobile phone and also print it out from here, colored. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. I appreciate it. Thank you and stay blessed. Thank you.